5 ways to increase your productivity. Prioritize your tasks. Make a to-do list and prioritize your tasks based on their importance and urgency. Focus on completing the most important tasks first, and then move on to less important ones. Avoid multitasking. Multitasking can actually decrease your productivity. Instead, focus on one task at a time and give it your full attention until it is completed. Take breaks. Consider taking a 5–10 minute break every hour or so to recharge your batteries and refresh your mind. Use time management techniques. Time management techniques like the Pomodoro technique, Eat That Dog, and Pareto principle. If you know about that techniques, please tell in the comments, otherwise I will explain it. Eliminate distractions. Identify and eliminate any distractions that may be hindering your productivity. Like turning off your phone notifications, no playing games all day, or finding a quiet place to work.